Have you ever read something and thought, that's wrong? Well, maybe, or maybe not. Before we jump to conclusions, there's one key question we should ask. What's the writer actually trying to say? Welcome to Making Sense of Grammar Rules, where we don't just point out grammar mistakes, we understand them. Grammar rules aren't just about what's right or wrong, they're about clarity, tone, and meaning. For example, she ain't coming. It is technically informal, but in a novel, it might fit the character's voice perfectly. Who did you give it to? Yes, the prescriptive rule says, to whom did you give it? But who actually talks like that every day? So here's the nuance. Context matters. Academic writing, casual speech, dialogue, formal emails, they all have different rules in practice. In academic writing, you'd write, the results indicate a significant correlation between the two variables. But in casual speech, you might say, looks like those two things are totally connected. Both are saying the same thing, but the formality changes with the setting. Next, intended meaning matters. Some grammar mistakes are actually purposeful choices. You might hear, I literally died laughing. Now, that's not literally true, and grammatically, it's an exaggeration. But the speaker's not confused, they're being expressive. It's a stylistic choice, not a mistake. Finally, audience matters. The way we speak to a friend isn't how we'd write a cover letter. When talking to a friend, we might say, hey, just checking in, got your message, super cool idea. Writing to your boss or client, you'd probably say, thank you for your message. I think your idea has great potential. Same idea, different tone, because your audience changes how you use language. So before we label something as wrong, let's pause and look at the bigger picture. Context, intention, and audience. Because good grammar isn't just about rules, it's about making meaning clear. In this series, we'll look at common grammar rules, but we won't stop there. We'll unpack the why, when, and how they actually work in real-life writing and speech. See you in the next video.